Fish farmer Alali Ifanga takes us into the forest to show us what's left of his fish ponds he says were nearly destroyed when a pipeline owned by the Dutch oil company Shell exploded in 2005. He's hoping that a court in the Netherlands will rule that Shell is responsible for the damage and must pay him and 3 other farmers compensation and conduct a clean-up. The case is being heard in the Netherlands and not in Nigeria because Shell has its headquarters there.
I must win this case because it's just the thousands of spills that have been occurring in the Niger Delta. No one has taken this kind of bold step. And if as soon as we win this case, it's going to be victory for the people of Niger Delta. And that's why it's so important, this case, that the Shell will be responsible to do proper cleanup in the Niger Delta.
Getting the case heard in the Netherlands is a historic legal victory for the people of this oil-rich community. They have faced 4 years of legal hurdles to get the Dutch judicial system to investigate Shell for the pollution it's accused of causing in Nigeria. Now, Shell say that the oil damage and oil pollution that's been caused to the farms of the Nigerians taking them to court in the Netherlands has been caused by sabotage of their pipelines, not negligence on their part. The company says its pipelines and installations are routinely sabotaged in order to supply the hundreds of illegal oil refineries operating in the Niger Delta region. Environmentalists say if Shell is found to be liable, it will change the way in which oil companies operate in Nigeria's oil-producing states.
The oil companies they may become, especially Shell, they will become jittery. They will become more careful. They will know that they will pay whenever they pollute. And that is supposed to be the industrial law. Polluters must pay. And that is why we are saying if they cannot operate as they ought to operate in other developed societies here, they should pack and leave.
If the court rules in favour of the farmers, it may lead to other compensation claims against Shell and other oil companies accused of causing pollution in Nigeria's oil-producing areas. Yvonne Ndege, Aruma, Bayelsa State, Nigeria.